From the dusty trails of Rajasthan to the bustling streets of Mumbai, the Mahindra Thar has cemented its status as an icon of Indian automotive prowess. But how is this rugged yet refined SUV brought to life? Our investigation begins deep within Mahindra's manufacturing facilities, where claims of robust engineering and meticulous craftsmanship are put to the test. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a symbol of adventure and resilience. We'll peel back the layers of its production, examining the processes and technologies that underpin its reputation, drawing comparisons, and citing data points to understand the full scope of its creation. To understand the Thar, one must first appreciate Mahindra's journey. Founded in 1945 by brothers J.C. Mahindra and K.C. Mahindra, and Malik Ghulam Muhammad, the company initially focused on steel trading before securing a license to assemble Willys Jeeps in 1947. This pivotal move, as documented in Mahindra's Milestones, a corporate history, laid the foundation for an automotive empire. Today, the Mahindra Group, with operations spanning over 100 countries, commands an estimated annual revenue exceeding $20 billion, according to their latest financial reports, demonstrating a profound evolution from its post-independence beginnings. The Thar's distinctive design is a deliberate blend of its ancestral roots and contemporary appeal. As stated by Ram Kripa Ananthan, head of design at Mahindra, in an interview with Autocar India, the Thar carries forward the iconic silhouette of the original Willys Jeep, but reinterprets it for the modern adventurer. This philosophy dictated key elements: upright stance, circular headlights, and prominent wheel arches. The challenge, according to Mahindra's design team, was to incorporate modern safety and comfort features without diluting its rugged DNA. This balance is crucial for its market positioning, appealing to both purists and new-age buyers. The journey of every Thar begins with raw materials. Mahindra operates an extensive supply chain, with a significant emphasis on local sourcing within India, a strategy outlined in their 2022 sustainability report. High-tensile steel, crucial for the chassis and body, is primarily procured from domestic steel giants like Tata Steel and JSW Steel. Other key components, including rubber for tires and polymers for interior trims, are sourced from a network of over 500 Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers across India. This localized approach, analysts at CRISIL suggest, contributes to supply chain stability and supports regional economies. At the heart of the Thar's renowned robustness lies its ladder frame chassis. This traditional, body-on-frame construction is a cornerstone of its off-road capability and durability. Inside Mahindra's state-of-the-art Igaturi plant, precision robotics and skilled technicians work in tandem. Sections of high-strength steel are welded together using advanced MIG and spot welding techniques. According to Mahindra's production engineers, over 2,500 individual weld points are meticulously checked for integrity in each chassis. This foundational structure is designed to withstand extreme torsional stresses encountered during challenging off-road excursions. Once the chassis takes shape, the body panels begin their transformation. Giant hydraulic presses, exerting immense force, stamp flat sheets of steel into the Thar's recognizable fenders, doors, and bonnet. At Mahindra's Nashik facility, stamping presses generate forces exceeding 1,000 tons. This precision engineering ensures uniform panel thickness and accurate dimensions, critical for structural integrity and panel fitment. Any deviations, even microscopic ones, can compromise the vehicle's aesthetics and structural rigidity, demanding meticulous calibration and regular maintenance of the dies used in this high-volume operation, as per Mahindra's internal quality manuals. Protecting the Thar's steel skeleton from corrosion and giving it its distinctive sheen is a sophisticated, multi-stage paint process. Vehicles enter an e-coat, electrophoretic deposition, bath, which provides a uniform, rust-resistant primer layer, even in hard-to-reach areas. This is followed by multiple layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat, applied by robotic arms to ensure consistency and minimize human error. Each layer is meticulously baked at controlled temperatures. Mahindra claims an 11-stage process, designed to offer superior chip resistance and UV protection, crucial for vehicles operating in diverse and often harsh Indian climates. The Thar offers a choice between two formidable powertrains, the 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel and the 2.0-litre M-Stallion gasoline engine. Both are produced at Mahindra's Pithampur engine plant. The M-Hawk, known for its robust torque delivery, generates 130 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, making it a favorite for off-road enthusiasts. The more modern M-Stallion, a turbocharged direct-injection petrol unit, delivers a spirited 150 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, offering quicker acceleration. These engines are designed not just for raw power, but also for fuel efficiency and emissions compliance, meeting the latest Bharat Stage 6 norms, a significant engineering feat. A cornerstone of the Thar's identity is its robust 4x4 drivetrain. Both engine options can be paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, coupled with a manual shift-on-the-fly transfer case. This system allows the driver to seamlessly switch between two high, for high, and full low modes. The full-low gear ratio, critical for extreme off-roading, amplifies torque, enabling the Thar to tackle steep inclines and challenging terrain. This entire assembly, including differential units and drive shafts, undergoes rigorous testing for engagement, noise, and vibration at Mahindra's test facilities, as corroborated by internal engineering specifications. The Thar's exceptional off-road capabilities are largely due to its carefully engineered suspension and axle setup. At the front, it features an independent double wishbone suspension, providing better ride comfort and handling on paved roads. For the rear, a multi-link coil spring suspension with a solid axle ensures durability and articulation over uneven surfaces. This combination, Mahindra engineers attest, allows for a wheel articulation of up to 230 mm, maximizing tire contact on challenging terrain. The robust construction of the axles themselves is key to managing the stresses of aggressive off-roading, contributing to the Thar's renowned resilience. The interior of the modern Thar represents a significant evolution from its predecessors. While retaining its rugged appeal, Mahindra has integrated features aimed at enhancing comfort and connectivity. According to a product manager interviewed by Car and Bike magazine, the goal was to make the Thar as comfortable on the highway as it is capable off-road. Key additions include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cruise control, and roof-mounted speakers. Furthermore, a washable floor with drain plugs underscores its adventure-ready design, allowing for easy cleanup after dusty excursions. Quality control is a non-negotiable aspect of the Thar's manufacturing process, spanning from initial component inspection to final vehicle validation. At various stages, both automated systems and skilled technicians scrutinize every detail. Dimensional checks, paint thickness measurements, and panel gap inspections are meticulously performed. Furthermore, a water leak test, where vehicles are subjected to high-pressure water jets, ensures the cabin's integrity. Mahindra states that their zero-defect philosophy mandates stringent adherence to quality benchmarks, ensuring each Thar meets rigorous internal standards before leaving the factory floor, a claim supported by supplier audits. Beyond static checks, every Thar undergoes dynamic performance validation. This includes extensive on-track testing to assess handling, braking, and acceleration characteristics. For its famed off-road prowess, vehicles are subjected to challenging terrains at Mahindra's dedicated proving grounds. This includes testing articulation on boulder tracks, climbing steep gradients, and navigating deep water crossings. Mahindra officially claims a water wading capability of 650 mm, a figure verified by independent automotive journalists during test drives. These rigorous trials ensure that the Thar lives up to its go-anywhere reputation, proving its engineering capabilities under real-world conditions. Safety has become a paramount concern for modern vehicles, and the Thar is no exception. It incorporates essential safety features such as dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. In independent crash tests conducted by Global NCAP, the Mahindra Thar achieved a commendable 4-star safety rating for both adult and child occupant protection in 2020. This rating, a significant achievement for an Indian-made off-roader, reflects Mahindra's commitment to enhancing occupant protection through structural reinforcements and active safety systems, challenging previous perceptions of utility vehicles' safety standards. The appeal of the Mahindra Thar extends beyond India's domestic market. It is currently exported to several international markets, including South Africa, Australia, and various countries in Southeast Asia and the Middle East. Each export market often demands specific adaptations to meet local regulations and consumer preferences. For instance, right-hand drive configurations are standard, but emission norms, lighting regulations, and even specific infotainment language options vary. Mahindra's engineers work closely with local distributors to ensure that the Thar not only complies but also thrives in these diverse global environments, expanding its footprint incrementally. The automotive industry faced unprecedented challenges in recent years, particularly concerning supply chain disruptions and semiconductor shortages. Mahindra, like many global automakers, navigated these turbulences by strengthening its supplier relationships and exploring alternative sourcing strategies. As a Mahindra and Mahindra spokesperson stated in their 2021 annual report, our integrated supply chain and strategic vendor partnerships allowed us to maintain production resilience even during unprecedented global challenges. This proactive approach minimized impacts, though minor delays in component availability were periodically reported by dealerships, highlighting the fragility inherent in global manufacturing networks. Mahindra's manufacturing operations for the Thar have a significant socio-economic impact in the regions where its plants are located, particularly Nashik and Igatpuri. The facilities directly employ over 2,000 individuals in the Thar's production alone, according to Mahindra's HR department. This figure doesn't account for the thousands more employed indirectly through a vast network of ancillary units, suppliers, and service providers. This localized industrial ecosystem fosters job creation, skills development, and infrastructural growth, thereby contributing substantially to regional economies and uplifting communities, as detailed in a recent economic impact assessment by PwC India. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, Mahindra is also addressing the ecological footprint of its manufacturing processes. The company has implemented various initiatives aimed at reducing energy consumption, water usage, and waste generation across its plants. This includes the adoption of renewable energy sources, with some facilities partially powered by solar arrays, and robust wastewater treatment systems to minimize discharge. According to Mahindra's 2023 sustainability report, they've achieved a significant reduction in specific energy consumption per vehicle, showcasing a commitment to sustainable manufacturing practices that align with global environmental objectives. The Thar's evolution is far from over. Mahindra is actively exploring future iterations, including a highly anticipated 5-door version, which has been spotted undergoing extensive road testing. This model aims to offer greater practicality and broader appeal, targeting families. Furthermore, with the global shift towards electrification, industry analysts like those at Bernstein Research anticipate a potential electric Thar variant within the next 5 to 7 years. This adaptation would maintain its rugged spirit while aligning with future mobility trends and stricter emission norms, signaling Mahindra's intent to keep the Thar relevant for decades to come. The Mahindra Thar is more than just a truck, it's a meticulously engineered vehicle, born from a rich heritage and built with modern precision. From the initial sourcing of raw materials to the final stages of quality control and performance validation, every step in its production process is designed to deliver a vehicle that is robust, capable, and increasingly refined. Our investigation reveals a commitment to both tradition and innovation, attributing its success to a blend of advanced manufacturing techniques and a deep understanding of its target audience. The Thar stands as a testament to Indian automotive engineering, ready to conquer new horizons.